Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Melania meme coin on Binance in 2025. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy the Melania meme coin on Binance. So if you're ready, make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you can just go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Go to this URL section, and here, just type Binance and hit the enter button. Once you do so, you'll be taken here. Click on this first link. And of course, if it's your first time, they will ask you basically to log in into your account. So you'll find yourself somewhere like here. So click on login to log in into your account if you have one. If you don't, click on sign up instead to create an account. Of course, you can use Google, Apple, or even Telegram if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So you can see for new listings, you'll find Trump and those stuff. So for me, I'm already logged in. I'll just go here to markets and we'll have to look for Melania. Of course, before any of that, just what's all the buzz about Melania meme coin? It is inspired by the meme culture and the crypto craze. This token has gained some massive popularity in 2025, and it's known for its community-driven growth and potential for high returns. But remember, meme coins are highly volatile, so always do your research before investing. And of course, Melania meme coin is related to Trump coin because she's the wife of Trump. So if you go here to the market, and we go right here, and we search for Melania, so we'll not find any coins. If we look for Trump, we'll find the Trump coin. But if we look for Melania, again, so Melania, of course, like that, we'll find no coins. Why is that? Simply because Binance still did not add Melania meme coin at the moment. So if you want to buy it, you'll not be able to use a Binance account. Of course, if you want to wait for it until it's added, like Trump coin, you can do so. And once it's added, of course, you can just look for it. As an example, let's just use Trump as an example. So Trump, you can then once you find like, let's say this is Melania, you can click on it as an example. After that, just go to trade. Of course, if you want to pay with your credit card right away, you can just enter the amount that you want to buy. As an example, maybe 100, and you'll see the amount that you'll have to pay with your card. But if you want to trade with USDT or USDC, you'll have to use, as an example, depending on whatever you want, you'll be able to take in here, and you'll be able to start trading the normal way. But this is for Trump. Now we want to buy Melania. So as an example, I'll just go here and type buy Melania. So as simple as that. So Melania. Okay, let me just go add even coin. And as you can see, we'll find like some coin switch in here, coin market cap. I don't know if I will find this in Orca. So let me just do like Orca crypto and look for like Melania in here. So it seems like we found it, Melania meme. Of course, there's a lot of ones that might not be true, so keep that in mind. If you find like this icon right here, as you can see, there's like a triangle, warning triangle. That means it's a scam, so don't choose any of those. So I'll just go and choose this. How can I know that this is the right one? Simply, as you can see the price in here. You can have the address of it and check, as an example, in popular website like coin market cap. So as an example, Melania meme coin, the price here is $5.46. Here, $5.44. So it's kind of the same. If we go as an example for another Melania, click on this one. So as you can see, they will already take you that this token is not frequently traded on Orca. Always verify the mint address and conduct your own research before trading. And if you click on continue, the price is unknown. So keep that in mind. So I'll just go for the real one, which is this one. As I said, you can always check with the address. So you can compare it to the address, as an example, on a website that is known, like CoinMarketCap in here. And even like CoinMarketCap, they'll show you even like the official Melania meme markets that you can buy from. Like there's Meteora, you can buy from Meteora, you can buy from BitGet, you can buy from Orca, Kraken, KuCoin, Get.io, HCX, Memsi, like all the known ones. Radium as an example. And you can see the price of it on each market, on each platform. You can see like the depth of it, like plus 2%, minus 2%, the volume at 24 hours, the volume as example, percentage confidence, high, like the liquidity score, all the information that you need. So as you can see, there's even like 17 pages that you can like check. But normally, as you can see, confidence here is unknown. So this one is high. So just go for normally Meteora. It is known. BitGets. For me, I'm just going to show you how to do it in Orca. So in Orca, as example, you need to go and connect your wallet, depending on the wallet that you have. Go and connect your wallet. And if it's funded, as example, it's funded with USDT, you can just go here and choose USDT and simply just go and choose the amount that you want to buy with Melania. So as example, 100, they'll show you the amount that you'll have to pay or trade with. Click on connect wallets, then trade. And of course, you'll have to do it before this finished, because if this finished, the price will change depending on the markets. Like the price of Melania coin might change, so this will change as well. So as you can see, it's changing frequently. So yeah, once you connect your wallet, you'll find your trade button and you'll be able to trade your USDT for Melania successfully. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.